Okay, so in order to give you a little bit more time on Mozart's 5 names, I am going to do a flashcard review, and which is exciting. Flashcards are fun, and I'm sure by now you're getting pretty good at them. And if not, good review, right, at this point. It's been a little while. The other thing is that the next song, Paper Airplane, if you turn the page, we talk about some new notes, quote unquote. All right, but for you, not necessarily. In the space, it spells face, just like we always say. And look here, it kind of looks strange on the page. Let me get my pencil. You can see how it says face, spells face there, but you don't usually see face written out on top of it, like horizontally like this, or vertically, excuse me. But anyway, F-A-C-E, face. So F-A-C, this is C. Of course, this would be E. And then every good boy does fine, right? That's F. And after F would come G. We haven't really talked about that, but that makes sense just because of the alphabet. And that's how the staff works too. Just like right here, right? In the space it spells face, so F-A-C, this is C. And the note after C is the letter after C in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, and it just goes up from there. E, F, G. So it works like the alphabet, but if you want to identify just a single note, like let's say you just have this, you don't want to start here, okay, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is F, right? That's kind of the long way around. The easiest way to do it, every good boy does fine, F. That one's F. In this case, it just has it labeled. So we don't have to do any guesswork, but we will when we do the flashcards. So anyway, this is a new thing for the next song. So this is a good time for us to review our flashcards. I'm gonna do that, and maybe I'll add in the G. Hey, wouldn't that be a fun idea? There's gonna be a new note. Let me find the G flashcard and add it to our group. So there it is, G. Above the staff, all right, this would be the staff. Here, whoops, sorry. This is the staff, right? There's the top line, that's F. Every good boy does fine. This line is F and it comes after F, so this one is G. I'm just gonna sneak that into the middle somewhere here. So that'll be in there when we do our flashcards. Okay, so don't forget, every good boy does fine. That's for the lines. And you have this on your wall. Every good boy does fine. If it's in the space, it spells face. F-A-C-E. And for the bass clef, we have good burritos don't fall apart for the lines. Let me show you again. Good burritos don't fall apart. And for the spaces, we have all cows eat grass. So now that we've seen this first one, I'm going to move it as well into the middle somewhere there. And then here we go. We're going to start your flashcards. And away we go. Good burritos don't fall apart. What do we have here? G. All cows eat grass. G. Every good boy does fine. E. In the space, it spells face. A. All cows eat grass. A. Middle C. Good burritos don't fall apart. F. All cows eat grass. C. In the space, spells face. F. Every good boy does fine. D. Every good boy does fine, same thing. B. Same thing, every good boy does fine. F. If it's in the space, it spells face. E. Good burritos don't fall. Whoops. Good burritos don't fall apart. A. This is our new note. Remember, you can figure this out by remembering what the top note of the treble clef is and going one higher in the alphabet, in your musical alphabet. G. Good burritos don't fall apart. B. If it's in the space, it spells face. C. You can figure this one out based on good burritos don't fall apart. Good burritos don't fall. This line is A, so what's that one? B. Similar to our G situation, isn't it? We figure out what that line is right before, and then we go up from there. All cows eat grass. E. Good burritos don't fall apart. D. Comes right before this one here. This is E, and you know what comes right underneath that note. It's C, middle C. So just think what comes after C in the alphabet. This one's D. Every good boy does fine. This one's G. So now I'm going to go through, I'm going to mix them up a little bit. I'm going to go through and this time I won't give you any hints. I'm just going to show them to you for a few seconds each and then tell you what the answer is. So here we go. Get ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. E. B. C. B. A. E. F. B. D. F. C. G. A. E. G, F, C, G, A, G, D, D. Okay, cool. So next week we will move on to paper plane with your new note G. But this was certainly a good time to review, and new note G. Pretty fun. You're going to be playing that next week. Okay, see you then. Bye.